Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the graph editor and selecting the animated object. This exposes its F-curves. Once visible, focus on the specific property curve you want to edit, transform, material, or custom property, because changes apply per F-curve. Make sure to toggle that channel's visibility. Hiding irrelevant channels reduces clutter and speeds workflow. If keys aren't showing, confirm the object has keyframes and the correct action is active. This first step ensures you're editing the right data, not an empty timeline. Now you refine motion by manipulating keys and handles. Press G to move keyframes and adjust timing, or S to scale timing ranges. Change handle types to control interpolation. Auto smooths, vector makes sharp transitions, aligned preserves slope continuity, because the handle determines motion feel. Apply curve modifiers like noise for subtle variation or envelope to remap amplitude. Use the sample bake action when you need dense key sampling for export or simulation. Once done, to finish, tidy F-curves. Delete redundant keys, decimate dense curves, and lock channels you won't touch to avoid accidental edits. Bake final actions if you need consistent samples for export. Make sure to mute or disable modifiers if they shouldn't affect the render. This prevents surprises. If values jump or keys ignore edits, check for hidden drivers, object scale mismatches, or parented transforms affecting results. Disconnect or correct those sources. This final pass secures predictable animation and a clean graph editor state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.